11 Tips for Clear and Healthy Skin. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Beauty Club. In this video I will be sharing 11 tips to help you achieve the clear skin you have always wanted. Number 1. Drinking 8 glasses of water a day can help keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Number 2. Washing your face twice a day with a face wash can help remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin, which can help prevent acne and keep your skin looking fresh. Number 3. Drinking detox water can also help improve the appearance of your skin by flushing out toxins and providing your skin with essential vitamins and minerals. Number 4. Face masks can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin by providing a deep cleanse, exfoliating dead skin cells, and delivering nourishing ingredients to your skin. Clay masks are often preferred because they can help absorb excess oil, unclog pores, and leave your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Number 5. Getting 8 hours of sleep each night can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin by reducing inflammation, preventing dark circles, and giving your skin time to repair and regenerate. Number 6. Popping pimples can cause the spread of bacteria, lead to scarring, and increase inflammation. It's best to avoid popping pimples and instead use gentle skincare products to help clear up your skin. Number 7. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and dirt from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts and other skin irritations. It's best to avoid touching your face and to regularly wash your hands to help keep your skin clean and healthy. Number 8. Eating more fruits can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin by providing your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruits such as berries, citrus fruits, and melons are particularly beneficial for your skin due to their high vitamin C content, which can help boost collagen production and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Number 9. Minimizing makeup usage can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin by allowing your skin to breathe and preventing clogged pores. Wearing less makeup can also help reduce the risk of skin irritation and allergic reactions, and save you time and money. Number 10. Thinking positively can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin by reducing stress levels, which can lead to a reduction in breakouts and other skin irritations. Positive thinking can also help boost your confidence and self-esteem, which can help you feel more comfortable in your own skin. Number 11. Jade rollers and Gua-sha tools can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin by increasing blood flow and lymphatic drainage, which can help reduce inflammation and puffiness. These tools can also help improve the absorption of skincare products and provide a relaxing and soothing massage for your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you in the next video.